Hamstring strength, glute strength, and single leg stability are all crucial pieces of one, feeling great, athletic performance going through the roof, right? And recovering from any kind of lower extremity injury, right? So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. Guys, I'm Dr. Tank, Dr. Tansini here at Ground Overhead PT. Now, if you've been having some kind of hip, knee, foot, back, hamstring pull, some kind of issue involved with this lower kinetic chain, then we most likely need to work on improving the stability through that hip, right? And getting you stronger in more of a hinge type movement to really hit those hamstrings, really hit those glutes. So today we're going to be doing a hinge variation. It's going to be a rear foot elevated deadlift. So we're going to be using kettlebells. And I'm just going to have you pop that back leg up on the bench, okay? You're going to keep the ribs down, and much like we would do a Bulgarian split squat or a rear foot elevated split squat, you're going to keep the knee out, and we're just going to then hinge at the hips and come back up. You're going to then hinge at the hip, come back up, okay? So really working on getting that single leg hinge, working on hitting that hamstring, hitting that glute, okay, but also working on some single leg stability in the process. So guys, load it with dumbbells, load it with kettlebells. You can put a barbell on your back, load it with a sandbag. You can load this in tons of different ways. I'm using kettlebells here because it's a super simple way to load this exercise. But guys, give it a try. Get stronger through that lower leg, build some capacity, bulletproof that leg, and keep doing the things you love. So, guys, I'm Dr. Tank, Dr. Tansini, and I'll see you next time.